I'm in the middle of trying to install pyQuil, and I think so. I just installed the actual pyQuil, but I don't know if I need the QVM in the compiler. I don't think so because this is just a Jupyter notebook. So can I just download that? Can I just download that? Mm, what is what is what else is in here? It's just this Musty Thoughts Plus supplementary. Copy, copy, copy. So CD projects and let's just git clone. What have I copied? Have I just copied the? Yeah. Git clone. Can I just do like that? I don't know. I always keep forgetting how this. Yeah, Mastodons Plus, and now we basically have got the thing here, and I can theoretically just write Jupyter notebook and this thing in here, paste. No! I thought Jupyter notebook, paste. And that, in theory, yay! Now let's see, first of all, let's see if that works. Let's see if that works at all. I don't know if I've installed anything that everything that I need. Can I just hit run, 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 run. Connection refused error. Python. Connection pool max retries. QVM caused by. Okay, so I might actually need QVM. I actually need to install that. Let me see. So reload. Basically, what was that? So I need to install QVM. Then no, I need to install QVM. Currently contains the regulated quantum virtual machine, which allows high-performance simulations of Quill programs. The regulated Quill compiler, which allows compilation and optimization of Quill programs to native gate sets. Packed as program binaries that are accessed through the command line. Both of them provide support for direct command line interaction as well as a server mode. The server mode is required for use with pyQuil. Request the first SDK here. You'll receive an email right away with download links for macOS, Linux. Okay. Let's request one here. First SDK. That's a nice animation. Should it just sign up? I think I had an account in here at the very beginning when I started. I think I had an account actually. Wait a second. No. Forgot password. It's a hassle. Reset password. It has not been activated yet. Okay. Sign in. Request an invite. .com organization. Quantum intuition. Request invite. We'll be in touch. Now I'll quickly check the email on my phone so you don't see my. Okay, give me. So there is something in my email. Confirm your email address. Verify. When I go to verify, you have successfully activated your account. You've been added to the waitlist. Are you kidding me? A lightweight downloadable SDK includes powerful QVM that runs locally. It's a perfect place to start quantum programming. Yes, but if I can't download that stuff, then what? If I get one right away. No. So I can't use pyQuil without the QVM. An email right away with the download links for Mac OS. All installation mechanisms except the bare bones package require administrative privileges. Mount the file. Mac OS no, and compile on Linux deb. Okay, yeah, but I need the file. No, that's not it. It's not fun. So if I basically go and try to reset my password, it will probably tell me that it has not been activated yet. And am I sure that's the actual issue that I'm having? So because here we're running we're actually calculating the expectation values, we're actually calculating we're actually doing the simulation. And so that probably fails because of the QBM thing here. Max entries exceeded with URL/QBM. So basically there's no... Okay. Then I guess it's the end of the video. Yeah. What I wanted to do is basically I wanted to do something like this. Maybe I'll save it. Maybe I'll do that, and then whenever I get access, I'll try to execute it. So I want something like beta values, right? And then basically do a something like that, something along those lines for better in beta values, and then basically the ansatz would be simply something like, I don't know if you can do it this way. I don't know. So So we're having that thing, and then basically that's the only thing that we change, right? And in the energy estimates, blah 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 blah, no. Uh, I probably need to create a another array that it's going to be the angle values, and those angle values basically will be something like so will be the first thing we do here is angle values append, and basically I would say beta plus, I don't know if I'm from a notation perspective if that's really gonna work out or not. I just want those to be, you know, I want this to be sort of a string, like a label, right? And that probably doesn't work, but I'll figure out what the right notation is. So now I've got the angle values in here, and then what I'm gonna do at the end of here is I'm gonna plot against these values, not the theta values, because I wanna basically get those. And we're gonna have more, because we're gonna have like, okay, so probably we wanna lower these, because otherwise we're gonna have like way too many values, because instead of like 100 we're gonna have like 100, like 10,000 I guess, yeah. So we want to have probably just 10 and 10. That should give us 100, because you know it's like a nested loop. I don't know, I'm just gonna save it. Can I just save that? Save. So if I'm saving it, that stays like that, right? I don't have to redo it. So whenever I get this damn stupid invite, then I'll just try and replot those things. See if that works. Because basically I can't seem to run these. What if I run that just like it's gonna be the same? Oh, now it's getting, it can add container. Okay, you can add those things, but I wanna. So with Python, how can you concatenate or make a string out of integers or out of numbers, whatever? String, okay, and if Python concatenate strings, okay, that should work. Seems like it should work. So I'll just maybe say it's string Does this run? Yeah. And now we get basically the error that is the QVM thing doesn't. Yeah, so I did install QVM, but it doesn't seem like you actually get access directly to this thing, so you gotta get invited basically. Meow. how can I get those things? How can I get the QV, the SDK? Really? Am I just like in a waiting list? Uh, so what about? That's nearby. It's a virtual machine, so you need that. Hmm. Quite a room machine and quite a processing unit. Okay. So architecture can simulate the unitary evolution of wave function with classical control. It has a plethora of other features including stochastic purist. Yeah, you need that. Okay. Then I'll move on. That's it for MiHouse Post. Once I get access to the KVM from Rigetti, then I'll just basically go and try again. Try to see if those modifications lead to some interesting results. Basically, the only thing that I've done here is kind of apply what Mihao mentions as another potential. So he just talks about. Okay, so Rx or RxRy are examples of simple entities. So I just wanted to use to kind of do these ansatz, see how the results will be different than kind of yeah. That's it. Perfect.